Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most famous questions in science and philosophy. The question is which came first, the chickens or the eggs? This is the question. And actually this question has puzzled both scientists and philosophers for centuries. But recently we have got the answer from the field of biology. Yes, we have got the answer from recent discoveries in the field of biology. And the answer has to do with a tiny protein that builds egg cells. What is the name of that protein? Name of that protein is OC17. That is the short name, OC17. Full name is ovoclidin 17. So scientists have identified ovoclidin 17 or OC17 that forms the egg cells. Okay, egg cells. You know egg cells are strong. You have the experience of if you have already eaten eggs or if you have touched egg, then you know that egg cells are strong. Since they are strong, so they can contain the inner contents. Okay, actually survival of the chicks are possible due to strong cells or strong egg cells. This is known to you. Otherwise, those things wouldn't survive at all. So, this strong egg cell is required, and this ovoclidin 17 means OC17, this protein actually triggers the rapid crystallization of calcium carbonate, which actually forms the egg cells. This protein OC17, this triggers the rapid crystallization of calcium carbonate. Okay, and this calcium carbonate actually is responsible for that strong egg cells. Okay, and that is the requirement. Otherwise, those things wouldn't survive at all. That means it is obvious that we get eggs from chickens. Okay, so what is the conclusion? If you just concentrate on this thing, on the protein, okay, then you can easily say, means scientists are saying like this, that chickens came first, then eggs. Okay, according to the scientists, chickens came first, then eggs. At present, you can see chickens, you can see eggs. So, you can say eggs came from chicken. Again, you know that we get chickens from eggs. So, answer actually becomes cyclical. It becomes an infinite loop. What is the starting point? And to think about the starting point, to get the real answer about the starting point, then you have to go back millions of years ago. That means you have to study evolution or evolutionary biology. Then only you can say or you can give us the correct answer. Okay, so here scientists have used the knowledge of evolutionary biology, that is evolution, then molecular biology as well as everyday life experiences. And the combined answer is chickens came first, then eggs. Okay, actually chickens didn't form directly. Their ancestors were chickens' ancestors were another birds. So you have to, in that case, you need to study that subject evolution properly. Anyway, if you talk about present chickens and eggs, the answer to the question is chickens came first, then eggs, because the egg cell of the eggs have become possible, have formed actually due to the presence of chickens. They receive that protein from chickens. Okay, so that's why we should say at present that chickens came first, then eggs. Right? We are not talking about here evolution in this video, but if you think about evolution, then in that case you can easily see that chickens came first, then eggs. But if you think about only the present day chickens and eggs, then the answer becomes really cyclical. You cannot ever answer to that question. It becomes a loop. Everyone must say the same thing. Eggs come from chicken and chickens come from egg. So answer becomes cyclical. Okay, it becomes an infinite loop. Anyway, real answer or the true answer to the question which came first is chickens came first. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.